Most people spend their entire lives working for money. Wake up, go to work, get paid, pay bills, repeat. And one day they look back and realize something painful. They spent decades building someone else's wealth, not their own. The people who actually build wealth do something different. They build systems that make money work for them. That journey happens in 4 levels. Miss one and everything you build eventually collapses. Let's start with level 1, create cash flow. Most people spend 100% of what they earn, and that is exactly why they stay stuck. If your income stops, your life stops. That is not freedom. That is a trap with a paycheck. Here's what you do instead. Take 10% of your income before rent, before food, before anything. Find one asset with real demand right now. A trending product, a resellable item, or a digital good. Buy it, sell it, make 2 to 5% profit. Month 1, your 10% becomes 12 to 15%. Next month, another 10% from your salary is merged with your profit. Buy a bigger asset, sell it again. You repeat this every single month until your asset's monthly income is 2 times your monthly expenses. Why 2 times? Because 1 time means you survive. 2 times means you move forward without fear. The level 1 rule, 90% for living, 10% for building cash flow. Repeat it every single month. But here's the mistake that destroys most people at this stage. The moment they earn more, they spend more. And then one emergency hits and everything they built disappears. That is exactly why level 2 exists. Level 2, build your financial shield. The biggest threat to your future is not a bad investment. It is an unexpected expense, a medical bill, a job loss, a family emergency. One bad month can destroy years of progress. That is why level 2 exists. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Follow this rule. Spend 60% for living, save 20% for the emergency fund, and continue to invest or reinvest 20%. Do not move to level 3 until this shield is complete. Not halfway, fully. Level 3, let assets work without you. In level 1, you were flipping. In level 2, you were protecting. Now you start owning. You invest 50% of everything you earn into assets that work without you, like index funds, digital products, rental income, and dividend stocks. Anything that earns money while you sleep. Warren Buffett did not build $100 billion by working harder. He built it by owning assets that worked for him every hour of every day, whether he showed up or not. He said it himself, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Follow this rule. Spend 50% for living. Invest 50% in assets. Keep building until your assets generate 5 times your monthly expenses. That is financial freedom because your lifestyle no longer depends on your time. But here is the painful truth. Most people finally reach freedom and then destroy it. They upgrade too fast. New car, luxury apartment, international travel, and slowly they rebuild the exact financial prison they just escaped. That is why level 4 matters most. Level 4, reinvest to build real wealth. Financial freedom is not wealth. It is the beginning of wealth. Most people reach it and start consuming assets instead of compounding them. The wealthy do the opposite. They protect capital. They think in decades, not months. One non-negotiable rule at level 4, 30% for living, 70% reinvested. Always. Your lifestyle can improve, but only inside that 30%. Because wealth is not built by earning more. It is built by reinvesting more, consistently, for years. The most important thing in this entire video, levels 1 through 3, live simply. Better food, better health, no debt, but no luxury yet. Because the moment you upgrade before level 4, compound growth stops, the asset machine slows, and financial freedom slides backwards. This is how the top 0.1% build wealth from scratch. Remember the formula. Income creates cash flow. Cash flow buys assets. Assets create freedom. Reinvestment creates wealth. Most people work for money their entire lives. The top 0.1% build systems where money works for them. Now you have the system. The only question is, are you going to feel inspired and forget this tomorrow? Or are you going to take 10% this month and actually start? That one decision is where everything begins. Most people never build wealth because they never follow a system. That's why I created a free wealth blueprint that breaks down every level, including the exact percentages, trackers, and action steps for your current stage. Download it from the link in the description before you make your next financial move. And if you want the next video on the best high-demand assets to invest in during 2026, comment wealth below. I read every single comment. If you're serious about building like the top 0.1% in mindset, habits, business, and wealth, subscribe.